Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you may be listening from. Royal QT Motion International, and my name is Coach Mo. Happy New Month from this side. Few days ago, Binance Nigerian P2P stopped working, and they are yet to fix it till date. But without worrying about anything, in this video, I want to share with you guys how you can confidently buy USDT on Binance. So please pay attention and follow me step by step. Now, the first thing we need to do is to tap on trade. You tap on trade, you can see trade below my screen. You tap on trade. Now we are on trade. The next thing we have to do is to tap on fiat. We tap on fiat. You can see fiat here. You tap on fiat. Now let's tap on fiat and see what happens. Awesome. Now we are on fiat. The next step is to tap on bank transfer. I believe you can all see bank transfer. You tap on bank transfer. So it is going to ask me to continue. I'll tap on continue. Alright, now I need to input the amount in Naira I want to buy. So let's assume I want to buy USDT worth of, let's say 5,000 Naira, for example. Let me use 5,000 Naira as an example for this video. So now I'll say 5,000 Naira. You can see the charge, the merchant fee is 100 Naira. Depends on the amount you want to buy, will determine how much the merchant will charge you. So let us proceed, please. I'll tap on continue, or let me make it 10,000 Naira. Yes, 10,000 Naira. So you can see now it is 10,000 Naira. Awesome. Let us proceed, please. I'll tap on continue. You can see it brought up a message, just a guide on how you can make the payment, but I'm going to be skipping this. Now that I've skipped this, you can see the account details is here. I need to send this exact amount to this account number. Let me quickly pause and make the transfer, and I'll be back for the next step. You can see the payment has been made successfully, and the worth of 9,900 NGN has been deposited on my funding wallet. Remember, what I just did now is that I bought NGN. Okay, all right, so it has been deposited on my spot wallet. All right, so let's proceed, please, to the next step. I'll tap on OK, then go back. I'll go back to trades. Going back to trades. Now this is trade. The next thing I'll be doing here is I'll be trading my NGN for USDT. I repeat, I'll be trading my NGN for USDT. What I'll simply need to do is to tap on where you see limits and change it to markets. Okay, I'll change it to markets. And put in the amount in engine I want to use to buy USDT. In my case, I want to use everything. Okay, then I'll tap on buy. But the limit, let me explain what the limit stands for. Limit is maybe you have a particular price you want to buy the USDT. Maybe you want it to, when the Naira comes down to 1,450 or 1,480 or 1,490, depending on you, but you have to patiently wait. But if you need this money instantly, you have to change it to market price, which I just changed mine to market because I want to buy at the current market price. In fact, with this you are buying it cheaper compared to other exchange out there. All right, so I'll be tapping on buy. Let's see what happens. Buy. Voila, you see it has gone successfully and I have been credited to my USDT wallet in USD. So I have converted this Naira, which is NGN, to USDT. This is how you easily buy USDT on your Binance without worrying about anything. Please remember, cryptocurrency is going nowhere. No one can stop cryptocurrency. Even the government cannot stop cryptocurrency. So ignore all the fake news and fraud out there and continue making money with your royalty boat.